Retying your interlocking Kung Fu uniform may seem a little difficult at first, but if you keep a couple of things in mind, it's actually very easy. So the first thing you want to remember is that we're always going to take the lower loop, go up and feed it through the next loop above it, and then pull down. Now, the other thing that you want to remember here is we're going to make a little bit of space for our head so that we can slip it over our head much easier. That way we don't have to undo and redo the uniform every single time we wear it. We're going to start first by making sure that the flap is underneath all of the loops. So we're going to close the loops over the flap. And then I like to have at least one button open so I can fit my head through the uniform when it's all the way closed. So what I'm going to do right now is just feed this last loop through and then secure it with the top button. That way I won't make any mistakes and accidentally loop the wrong one. Now from here, I will start with my top button and I will keep the loop open. I'm not going to do anything with this other than start with the one underneath, feed it through the inside, and then I'm going to pull down. The next one, same exact thing. I'm going to feed it through the inside and then pull down. Once it's down, hold the loop open, feed the closed end through the inside, and then pull down. Same thing, holding it open, feed it through, pull down. Hold it open, feed the next one through, and pull down. And then we will just continue to work our way down until we reach the bottom of the uniform. When we reach the bottom of the uniform, I'm going to feed this last loop over the button, and then to secure it, I'm going to use this tiny small loop to go over the button as well. So both of these have gone over the final button, and that secures the uniform completely. Now the uniform is completely secure, all of the loops are interlocking and correctly placed. And when I'm ready to take off my uniform from here, I can just undo this top loop, and then now I have room to fit my head through and pull it over like a regular shirt.